Hello everyone, this is Kayvon with Team Create. Today I'm gonna talk about my final presentation, individual presentation. So for this sprint, I've been working on authorization and a lot of admin features for this project. As you can see here, we have the login page. Right now the user is not authorized or logged in, so we don't have access to the toolbar. First thing first, I'm gonna log in as my admin account. What we added for the input is that if you actually use an email that is not GGC domain, it would not accept it. So it says that it's not valid. So here it doesn't accept the Gmail. It has to be a GGC email. So I'm gonna log in as my admin. So once I log in, I'm gonna send a request to database to get all the info. And once I get my info, I am gonna be routed to my setting where I can update my name if I want. I can update my email, I can update my phone number. So I'm just gonna update my phone number. Let's do, so this one I'm gonna update it. And I can go back to the setting. I don't know who added this. So, and I have a role as an admin here. And you can see that the number has been updated. So as an admin, I have basically I am authorized to view a lot of things, basically everything in the project. So here I can see the faculty view. I can go to about us. I can go to faculty view. I can go to evaluator view and also the chair of faculty, and of course the admin page. So in the admin page, since I am an admin, I can see all the users that are currently in the app. So if you signed up to the app, your info, and you updated your info, you're gonna be here in this list. So this is all the users we have. I created these users for right now so I can show how the authorization works. So since I'm an admin, I'm gonna go ahead and give these users a role. So I can come here and edit the role, and since this user is a faculty, I'm gonna give it a faculty role and I'm gonna update it. And so it's been updated to faculty. I'm gonna come back later on to make sure that the authorization works correctly. So this user is an evaluator, so I'm gonna give the user a role and make it evaluator, update it, and it's been updated here. And I can also delete a user, but right now I don't want to delete anyone. I can search a user. It should work. So here I searched Kayvon and it came up as Kayvon. I can actually do faculty and faculty comes up. What else? So this is all the things that admin can do. We can edit, delete, and you can actually update your own portfolio, name, email, and phone number. So I'm gonna log out and log back in as a faculty. Um, so when I log in as a faculty, you see I have a faculty name. I can change the name to something else. Let's do faculty, and it is updated. And you have the email and phone number and the role. So I can go to the menu. So as a faculty, you should be only seeing the faculty view, and you shouldn't be able to see the admin, chair of faculty, and other different components. So here I can only see the faculty view, and I can go to the about page and back to my settings. As you can see, I cannot give myself a role since I'm not authorized to do so. Only admin is authorized to give a role. So I'm gonna log out. That was all for faculty. So I'm gonna log back in as a evaluator. Okay, so same thing, we have the name, email, and phone. And also I cannot give myself a role or change the role because I'm not authorized. I can navigate to faculty views since I'm a evaluator, and I can also go to the evaluator view and the about us page. That's basically is all of it for authorization and the admin features. So I'm gonna go to the Firebase, actually show how I was able to do the authorization with Firebase. So if I go to user's role, I have three different documents. I have admin, I have evaluator, and I have faculty. So these are my role in this application. So as an admin, I am authorized to, so this is a map, and you can give it Boolean attributes. So I can say an admin can delete, read, it is visible, and write to the admin component. And for the chair of faculty component, an admin can delete, read, visible. Chair of faculty is visible to the admin, and the admin can write to the chair of faculty component. And it is the same for all of it, evaluator and the faculty. In the evaluator view, things are different because evaluator shouldn't have the permission to see the admin component. So I'm not gonna give it the permission. So actually, evaluator, the admin component doesn't have the permission to delete, read, write, or the visibility feature. Same for chair of faculty. So the only things that evaluator can see is the evaluator component and the faculty component. And the faculty is, of course, is only allowed to see the faculty component. So for doing this, I had to write some Firebase roles. So this is all the roles that's been written for in Firebase. We have the admin, evaluator, and faculty, and this is some of the roles that basically allow um, the functionality to happen. So if I go to the code, that's all I have here. I think yes. All right. So in the code, I added the header HTML, and in the header HTML, I basically said if the data from the user is a faculty, so if the role is a faculty, you can navigate to the faculty component, and if the role is an evaluator, you can navigate to evaluator, and if it's the chair of faculty, you can basically see the chair of faculty. And if you if the role is admin, if the admin component is visible, you can visit this component. So these are not the role, actually. These are the component names that I added here. So this is admin, chair of faculty, validator, and faculty. So if the user role is allowed to see the evaluator, the app would allow the user to see the component. But if they're not allowed, they're not gonna see it. So for the admin, we had delete, add, and update all the features for admin. So these are actually written in a couple of places in the back end and in the admin TypeScript file. So here, actually I want to say something about the where is it? I was gonna show the animation here. So I added some animation such as move in and fall in and move in left. So basically, if you for example, you go to a new page, and I can show it here. So if I log in, and I go to, for example, faculty view, and you can see the animation here, which basically when you navigate, it has this fall in looking thing. So that is actually in the HTML. I can call it here, so I can say fall in and give it a state. So it would actually call this method and use this animation. But in the admin TypeScript file, I have I'm getting all the data user data and load it to the front end. And with this method, I can update the user info, and with this one I can delete the user info. So when you want to delete, it would ask you for confirmation. So it would ask you, are you sure you want to delete this record on this user? And if you say yes, then this method is gonna run basically. And we have some feature filters and um, what else we have? We have get doc, which basically loads the user data. I think that's all I have. Yeah, I think this is everything for. Actually, I can show the roles. Can't find it. But I was gonna just show the role for the different roles that we have in the code, which is just um, these three roles. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.